Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the device and files. This is where you act. Connect the phone, enable USB debugging, and unlock the bootloader if required. Do this first because flashing depends on it. Once done, transfer the official Nothing OS image to your PC and verify its checksum to avoid corrupted installs. Make sure ADB and Fastboot are installed and working. Run a quick device list command to confirm connectivity. If any step fails, stop and resolve before flashing. You proceed to the core flashing and configuration sequence. Follow the order precisely. Boot the phone into fast boot mode, confirm the device appears, and flash boot, vendor, and system images one by one. This ensures kernel and user space match. Once flashing completes, reboot to recovery or fast boot reboot to trigger first boot tasks. During initial setup, grant permissions and sign into accounts. This lets system services initialize correctly. If you see an error during flashing, revalidate images, and retry the specific partition. You finish by stabilizing and verifying the install. This step avoids future problems. Update the OS to the latest build, run sensor calibration, and restore data from a verified backup so apps work as expected. Make sure Wi-Fi, cellular, Bluetooth, and all cameras respond. If something behaves oddly, clear cache or reapply the specific partition image. One key troubleshooting tip: if persistent failures occur, capture logs with a DB logcat and consider reflashing that.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.